afternoon. Today, as you guys requested, I'm doing a quick cleanup. Tomorrow, I'm going to try to climb up Christ the Redeemer. Will be the third try, but I think at least I'm going up there, even if I have to push the end of it because it's very hard. So I need her to be at her best, but I didn't have time to go to the shop to do a perfect cleanup. So what I do is do the same cleanup that I do when I'm traveling. What I use is get a tissue, let's do it this way. Tissue like this. That's especially for bike. But if you don't have one, you can use this one. It's for car. It goes clean everything to take the grease out, you know. It's a very good one. And if you don't have any of those, get a simple wet tissue and WD-40, is that how you call? We call WD-40 in Portuguese. I never said it in English, so it must be WD-40. Anyway, let's try it. Let me show you the way I do it. It's probably not the perfect way, not the best way, but it works fine. I spent like 20 days in Germany, and that's what I did. But when you come back, you have to go take her to the shop because they do a perfect job. It's amazing. Anyway, let's start it. Before we start, let me tell you something that maybe you won't know. The Brompton chain comes with the chain link. Can you see this black one? It's different. This is a chain link. If you ever need to take it out, just put shoelaces from here and there. If you don't have the proper tool, you know, put a shoelace from here and there and push it. Pull it. Get it together, you know. So this thing, this little one, let me show you. This thing here goes up here and it loses the chain, and you can take it out and clean it better if you want. So it already comes with the chain link, and that's something that you always have to carry with you. Always leave it here. A chain link, adapter if I wanna pump my tires in a gas station. And this here, it's hydrate. It's like a Gatorade, but with no sugar in it. So that's my... And it's not a Ziploc. It's... Do you know the thing that you get the bread, you know? It's useful because sometimes you need to put something together, you know? It's good. So always carry a chain link. Actually, I'm gonna start with this one. It's too dirty. Another thing you can do is get WD-40 and show you how much better it is. Another place that you have to pay attention to is this part here. See? Look how it's dirty. If you can take it out, the chain, then you can clean it better, but this is just a quick cleanup. I'm just using a Ziploc, but there's a special tools to do this. It's good to have the rims clean. Okay, after several wipes later, it's not 100%. It's not perfect clean, but you take the most part out. So, as you can see it. Now it's the most important part. The oil. 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 Basically, there's two oils. Well, three, because, well, anyway. Ceramic and the regular oil. And this one's for wet. What is for wet? It's when it's raining. So use a wet oil. This one's for dry. This one's also wet. See? That's very useful when it's raining because if you ride in the rain, the oil goes out so fast. So you need a special one, humid. And usually I like to use ceramic, but my dry ceramic is gone, so I'm gonna use this one. It's wax lubricant. It's for the dry one. Condições de seguridade e sequedad. Okay, international one. I don't know where about it. Probably in Camino de Santiago. The thing is, we always think that you have to put oil. It's not like that. Every little piece of this, see this little thing that moves, and that's what makes the chain maleable, mobile. I don't know how to say in English. So you need to put in each one of those a drop of oil. It takes a while, but it's worth it. I like to put oil here because if it goes down to other parts that need oil. So it's not wasted. And after you put the oil, you have to take the excess out. Just a little bit. Don't press it, just put it, smoothly. Oh, I almost forgot. Here, this is the chain also. You see it? It does need oil. So, that's the tip for today. Wet wipes. Anytime that you don't have time to take the shop or you're traveling, there is not time to really clean it, because that's the best place to take it. It's a shop, or if you live in a house, you have a grass, a place that you can clean your bike without making everything dirty. That's a way that you can get a little bit cleaner your bike. If you like it, if you want to be part of it, subscribe, and the little bell. This bell gonna tell you when my next video is out, because as you know, I don't have a right day to put them out, because I do it whenever I have time, or like in this case, I'm trying tomorrow to go uphill, up Christ Redeemer. It will be a very hard one, so he had to be at top. I didn't have the time to go to the shop to clean it, so what could I do? That's the best I could do for today. Hope you enjoy it, and nice to have you on board. See ya!